Hello ladies, and welcome back. So today's video might be a little bit longer, so get you a cup of coffee or a cup of tea because I have got something really beautiful and exciting to share with you ladies today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a luxury handbag that was gifted to me from Teddy Blake, New York. I am a brand ambassador for Teddy Blake, and I will be leaving a link as well as my discount code in the description box down below. In the event, after watching this video, you would like to purchase one of their luxury handbags for yourself. Now, these luxury handbags are absolutely perfection, but before I show you the bag, I wanted to talk a little bit about the company. Teddy Blake is a luxury handbag company based in New York, and all of their handbags are handcrafted in Italy from the finest premium Italian leather. Now let's talk about the packaging. Of course, I was super excited to go ahead and unbox this bag, but I'm going to do sort of an unboxing with you guys today. The bag arrived in this absolutely beautiful box that says Teddy Blake, New York on the front. And this box even has a magnetic clasp. When I receive really beautiful boxes like this, I actually keep them for storing things in the future or even storing my bag in it at a later date. So it came in this beautiful box, and I want to just open it with you guys. At the top of the box, it says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy. So this is a luxury handbag, and it says each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion. When luxury handbags come, they usually are well packaged, and I just absolutely love the way that they package this bag. So it's beautifully wrapped in this paper right here. The bag comes in this beautiful dust cover. And you guys know that all luxury bags come with a dust cover. And on the front of the bag, it says Teddy Blake, New York. And the bag is very soft. It's like a soft cotton. And I think that is just very classy. So the bag Teddy Blake gifted to me is called the Ava Gold in the 11-inch. This bag comes in a 14-inch, a 9-inch, and a 6-inch, but I chose the 11-inch because this size is perfect for me. But there are other sizes if you choose to get a bigger one or a smaller one of these bags. They also come in many different colors, and the colors are absolutely beautiful. So I love the structure of this bag. And talk about elegant, ladies. This bag is well structured and it's elegant. Now the Ava Gold is all about the details, and the price point of this bag is super reasonable considering the quality and the craftsmanship of this bag. It is absolutely beautiful. Now let's talk about some of the features of this bag. Out of the box, my first impression was, oh my goodness, this bag is so beautiful and so well made. If any of you guys are familiar with Hermes, this bag sort of reminds me of the Hermes Kelly. So let me know in the description box down below if you guys are familiar with Hermes or even if you own an Hermes. But this bag reminds me of the Hermes Kelly, except for the price point of this bag, and I absolutely love it. Now the Ava Gold is made from what's called stampato leather, which is a soft pebbled calfskin leather. And ladies, it just feels so luxurious. And I want to bring it a little bit closer so you guys can take a look at it. But this looks absolutely beautiful. It's very soft leather. And I just absolutely think that this bag is stunning. And remember, all of Teddy Blake's bags are handcrafted in Italy. So the craftsmanship of these bags is going to be extremely high quality. You guys know the smell of real leather, and Oh my goodness, this bag smells amazing. I wish I could let you smell it through the video screen, but if you know how real leather smells, then you know that this smells absolutely amazing, and I just love the smell of real leather. For an elegant and classy woman, especially over 40, I think this is the perfect bag. It is well structured, and I just love the details of this bag. And again, ladies, this is the Ava, but they have many different styles to choose from, so be sure to check out the description box down below. So the first thing I want to point out about this bag is it has Teddy Blake, New York in very subtle gold embossed letters on the front of the bag. So no big brand logos or anything like that. So I think that makes it more classy and more elegant. I want to give you a little bit closer look at the brand logo on the front, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. It just has the embossing of Teddy Blake, New York right there on the front, and I think that makes it more classy. And you can just see the really beautiful soft pebbled leather of this bag. I learned many years ago that the way to tell if you have a high quality well-made handbag is to look at the stitching. So I wanted to show you guys up close the stitching on this bag. The stitching on this bag is perfection. There are no strings hanging, and look at how straight the stitching is. I mean, the stitching is just amazing on this handbag, and I think it is just absolutely beautiful and well crafted. Now, the next thing I love about the Ava Gold from Teddy Blake is the gold hardware on this bag. I think this just makes it look so classy and so elegant, and I absolutely love gold. I also love the fact that it has Teddy Blake engraved on this gold hardware at the top of the bag, so I think that is absolutely elegant. And then in the back of the bag, it has this beautiful, well-made zipper. And it also has, very subtly again, Teddy Blake, New York on the back of the bag. But the zipper is so high quality. You can tell when you have a well-made bag because you're going to have a very, very good zipper on the back of the bag. And I love the gold hardware for the zipper as well. The next thing I love about the bag, it has gold feet on the bottom. So I think that is just absolutely luxury. I love a bag that has the feet because when you want to sit your bag down on the floor or in the airport or wherever you are, having the feet on the bottom will help keep the bottom of the bag from being scratched or even getting dirty. So I really do love the fact that this bag comes with feet on the bottom. So let's take a look at the interior of this bag. So the way you open the bag is you simply lift up the clasp on each side of the bag, and it has a magnetic clasp. So if you really don't want to lock these in, you don't really have to because this is magnetic right here. So even when you lift the clasp off the hooks, the bag is still securely closed. And I absolutely love that you don't necessarily have to lock the bag. I think it looks really beautiful when you just leave the clasp open. And I just like the way it looks with the clasp open, but your items are still very securely closed on the interior of your bag. So I think that's a great feature to have. Now let's take a look at the interior of this bag. The interior of this bag is suede, and I want to just give you a closer look. It's kind of hard to show the interior. And what you've got on the interior of the Ava is you've got a zippered compartment on the inside, which is really good for keeping things that you want to keep safe. You can keep additional money in there or your passport. And then it has another pocket here, which I want to show you guys. It has another interior pocket along with the zippered pocket on the interior of this bag. Another feature, ladies, I forgot to mention about the exterior of this bag is that it will expand. These clasps you can loosen if you want the bag to be a little bit more expanded, or you can pull them and tighten the bag if you want it to be a little bit smaller. But back to the interior of the bag. So it's got this beautiful, well-crafted zipper pocket and then an additional pocket. The bag comes with a crossbody strap, and the strap has these beautiful gold clasps, and it also has the gold hardware on the crossbody. Now, I like to wear my bag just like this unless I am traveling somewhere, then I would use the crossbody strap. I wanted to show you how beautiful the gold hardware is on this purse, and it also has the gold hardware on the crossbody strap. And the leather on this, you guys, I can't believe how soft the leather is. The leather on this bag is just amazing. But when you hook the crossbody on, you can actually adjust it if you are taller. The crossbody is really good to use if you are traveling somewhere or if you just don't want to carry your handbag. But as for me, I really love to just carry my bag without the strap. But that is an added feature that they included with the bag. So the next thing that comes with the Ava Gold is a lock and key. Now this is merely for decorative purposes. There is no way to actually lock the bag except for when you close it and you put your clasp secure in like that. But this lock is so beautiful. This is for decoration purposes. You just loop this around the handle of the bag, and then there's a little opening right here, and you slip the lock through there, and it just gives you some decoration on the bag, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Now this little clochette, it does have the key in there, and I think that is absolutely beautiful. It's just these keys actually do open the lock in the event you want to use this lock and key for something else, but it's just beautiful with the bag. And if you pull the clochette down, the keys kind of disappear. So I think this is beautiful, but if you want to wear it with the keys out, you can do it that way as well. But I think including this clochette on the bag just absolutely makes it beautiful. So just look at this bag, ladies. Even the handle is well structured, well crafted. And I like the fact that the handle is strong. And in the event you carry a lot in your purse, you don't have to worry about it. But this bag is absolutely well structured and well crafted. This item that I'm about to show you is sold separately, but the next thing Teddy Blake sent me is this coin purse. And the coin purse even comes in this beautiful, soft cotton dust bag that says Teddy Blake, New York on the front. And this is a coin purse, which I think is absolutely amazing. And it has a beautiful zipper, a gold zipper on the front, and this gold clasp. So you can either hook this to your purse, you can hook it to your belt loop, or whatever you want to hook it to. But it's got a lot of room on the inside of this little coin purse, and I absolutely love it. It's got Teddy Blake embossed in gold on the front of the coin purse. And I think it's a perfect match for this bag. And I think this is a well-crafted luxury handbag, especially for a woman over 40. Even a woman under 40 who's looking to level up her wardrobe, I think this bag is absolutely stunning. Now, I loved the Ava Gold so much that I purchased another bag with my own money. And this one is called the Kim Crocco. And I absolutely love this bag. I had been wanting a bag in this green color, and I love green. I love this color, and I think it can be styled with pretty much anything. So this one is called the Kim Crocco, and it is in the 11-inch. They do have other sizes, I believe, a 14, a 9, and a 6-inch. And again, it has Teddy Blake embossed on the front, no big brand logos. I love the gold hardware of this bag as well. Now this one, kind of snaps at the front of it. So you can close it and you can actually loosen the bag again, or you can tighten it if you put it in the last hole right on the front of the bag. But I absolutely love the hardware on this bag. This one is the Kim Crocco, but I love the crocodile look of this purse. And this one does not have the zipper in the back, but it also does expand. Opening this bag, look at the hardware and just look at the quality of the leather. This one also has gold feet on the bottom, which is a luxury brand must-have. And then when you open the bag on the interior, now I have been using this one because I was so excited to start wearing it. But when you open the bag, you have this beautiful suede again on the interior of the bag. This bag also comes with a leather crossbody strap. And what I wanted to do, ladies, is show you how much you can actually get in this bag. So I have a wallet. I've got some sunglasses, hand sanitizer. And by the way, I also was gifted by Teddy Blake a card holder. So I picked out this card holder to kind of style with this bag because, again, I love the beige. But I think you could also style this card holder with the Ava gold as well. The card holder is sold separately, and you can see on the front here it has Made in Italy and then Teddy Blake on this side. So absolutely love that. And anything you order from Teddy Blake, ladies, is going to come with this beautiful soft dust bag, and I love the straps on it as well. I have some hand lotion, some lip balm, chocolate, eyebrow pencil, a comb, a pen, something to tie my hair back with, some lip gloss, lipstick, and I even have like a couple of masks in here. But as you can see, ladies, with all of that stuff that I have in my bag, you still have plenty of room in this bag. So these bags are extremely spacious, and I just absolutely love them. And I just think this is such an elegant and classy handbag. If you are interested in leveling up your handbag collection, then I highly recommend Teddy Blake. And remember, I will be leaving a link to Teddy Blake New York in the description box, as well as my discount code in case you are interested in getting one of these bags. So I hope you ladies have enjoyed this video, and if you are landing on my channel for the first time and you enjoy leveling up and becoming more elegant and graceful, please consider subscribing to the channel. And also, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, as that tells me what type of videos you guys enjoy watching. Thanks for watching, ladies, and I'll see you in the next one.